Well, hello everyone. It is Saturday morning, and I have decided that I'm hungry for chicken noodle soup. I don't know why, but I am. And so I'm bringing you in to show you how I make my chicken noodle soup out of things that I've already processed. This is my own chicken broth that I put up, I canned up, and I also have dark chicken meat that I put, I baked the chicken and then took it off the bone. I froze the already cooked chicken and took the bones from the chicken and made the chicken broth out of it during, I think it was January of 23 was the date on the jar. And so now for the chicken broth, for the chicken itself, the date on it is 12/23. So anyway, I'm using up some of the things that I have on the shelf, and I am cutting this chicken up into smaller pieces. To put in here while this is heating up to a boil. I don't know why I'm craving chicken noodle soup, but I am, so. And this is, the chicken is halfway thawed, like half thawed. It's not all the way thawed, but it'll be fine. I'm still babying my finger, okay, that I cut open on accident. There's almost no pain with it, so that's good. All right, this has definitely chicken leg meat in here. It's funny how over the years, as you work with chicken, you get to know exactly what part of the chicken the meat comes from. Even though it's in a package like this, you can tell by the texture what part of the chicken it comes from. So having trouble holding on to that piece of chicken. All right, taking my time. There's a tendon in this that I want to get out of there. Not particularly enjoy eating. There we go. Okay. You can see that this chicken is still still a little frozen. All right. I was going to make chicken salad out of it, but I decided that I was really hungry for chicken soup. Chicken noodle soup. So, made with bone broth. These are small pieces in here. So there we go. All right. So I am going to let this go ahead and come to a boil. Okay. Yep, I'm gonna let this come to a boil. Then I will be adding the noodles to it. All right, we have the chicken and broth to a rolling boil. Now I'm going to add the noodles. When I make chicken noodle soup, I like a lot of noodles. Okay. So I'm going to make the whole bag of noodles. This is going to last me a while. Okay. And we're going to bring it back up to a boil. Let me get my glasses on so I can see to read. There they are. I keep glasses in the kitchen as well as in my office. All right. Cook for 7 to 8 minutes, okay? I'm going to add a little bit more water to that. There we go. There we go. Now we'll bring this up to a simmer and we'll let it simmer for 7 to 8 minutes. And this is going to be chicken soup for several days. Any big pieces of chicken that I see, I'm going to go ahead and cut it up. Yeah. This is why I make ingredients to go into different dishes and have them prepared in my freezer on my shelf, because then when I get in the mood for something, this chicken could have been used for tacos, it could have been used for chicken noodle soup, it could have been used for enchiladas. That's why I do this. Because then I can take this chicken and make it into anything I want at any given time. And, you know, I could have made this during the winter, but I'm feeling it right now, so. All right, that looks good. Okay. All right, I'll bring you back when it's boiled for about 7 to 8 minutes. I'm bringing you in to show you what I'm having for lunch today. Okay, I'm gonna have me some of this chicken noodle soup. Let me get this stirred up in here. I know this is a lot of soup, but I'm used to making a lot of soup because I like it. So I will eat on this for days and days. We've got vegetables in there, mixed vegetables. Okay. A little bit of that broth. Not much, because I want it to spread out. And this, my friends, is what I'm going to have for lunch today. The rest of this will go into containers and be put into refrigerator and freezer for later meals.